So guys, today I want to show you the easiest way how to create great short form content with this Captions app. So let's just import a clip.
Look how many days we just sit in bed.
Talking.
Look how many days we just sit in bed.
You can select the language you want your captions to be in.
Scroll.
So we want English, and uploading of the video is pretty quick. But also this app has some crazy AI features integrated that I will show you just in a second.
Look how many days.
So first of all, it will automatically generate captions for you that are perfectly timed, and you can modify them to the point where you can change almost everything about them. So you can pick if you want single word or if you want longer captions. We want single word. Lines per pages, you can do 2 lines or 3 lines or even 4 lines, which is pretty lame, but usually 2 or 1 is optimal. Here you can choose different types of fonts that you can use. I personally really liked Montserrat. That's a standard. That's the one that Alex Hormozy used in his videos. So you can change a bunch of stuff here. I like to play with stroke a lot. Like you can make your captions a lot thicker. You can change the color of the borders, but I prefer black. Now you can also do shadows, but it's not necessary. Here you can do background transitions like this. This one is better. And you can choose if you want all uppercase or lowercase or title case or none, which is pretty random, but I usually work with uppercase. And yeah, you can do some transitions here, but it's not necessary as well. However, we want to keep this on active color, and I will explain you why. Or you can also pick some presets here. For example, here on the top of the screen you can see featured, attention, active, Hormozy. Those with attention, those are optimized to keep the attention of a viewer, so those are pretty good in my opinion, but I usually prefer creating my own like this. So here you can just modify them as you wish. You can change the color of the background. For example, here you can have different spectrum, different sliders, and crazy feature is you can even type your own color and AI will come up with some ideas for you. So let's say ocean blue. Generate. Let's see what we get. Let's try this one. Okay, this is weird. Aha, so it generates all 4 colors for text and also for the background and subtitle itself. So you can change all of this. Let's say like this for Ukraine. And yeah, you can see some captions will pop like this, and they pop to emphasize certain words. And if you want to turn off the emphasizes, you can click here and turn it off. And also you can supersize your captions with these functions, but it's not necessary. Also you can create images within your videos. You can underline your captions. You can add some sounds like sound effects. Let's say bounce. Let's see.
How many days we just.
Yeah, it was very subtle.
Days we just.
So it's not important. What's important though is that you can track, you can do better eye contact within videos, but it takes up to 5 minutes, so I'm gonna skip that right now and also you can generate AI images. So I have actually never tried this one, but this looks actually weird. So they work with Pixabay or Pexels. So I guess they will give you some random. Okay, this is not necessary, but you see here he talks about scrolling, and here's a guy with a phone in his hand. So that's pretty accurate. Very good job. But I think it's not necessary to use in our videos right now. So let's turn this off like this. Also, this is a cool feature, AI trim, but it will trim all of the pauses or blind spots that you have in your videos. But right now it hasn't detected any pauses within our videos, so we will not use this. You can use this censor function where every time somebody swears in the video, it will bleep out the part where he or she says something bad. Also, you can add some AI emojis right next to your captions, so that's pretty cool. Let's turn this on. Let's say we want them freeform or above. Let's say we want freeform and we want large. So let's see.
Oh, it's 11, it's 12, it's 1. We order DoorDash, it's 3 p.m., it's 5. And by the time you get out of bed, you start doing something, it's already dusk. The day is basically gone. Look how many days we just sit in bed scrolling.
I guess you can play with those emojis a lot.
Oh, it's 11, it's 12, it's 1. We order DoorDash, it's 3 p.m., it's 5. And by the time you get out of bed, you start doing something, it's already...
I mean, this app is supercharged with functions. Also, this function is very important, denoise. As you can hear in this video, there is a lot of background noise and you can easily cut it out, and the quality of the audio will get so much better after that. So it's a pretty cool feature to use.
Dusk. The day is basically
right
gone.
Now there is
Look how many days we just sit in bed scrolling.
Also, you can generate AI instrumental music to your videos. So let's say we want something cinematic. Let's hear that. Oh, it will take up to 1 minute. It's quite lame music, but in previous videos that I did, it can generate some pretty impressive instrumentals. For example, corporate. That should be pretty neutral. Let's see. Oh, that's quite sleepy. Okay, let's not use this. But it's a cool feature to have, and also you can create your own voiceovers, your own AI voiceovers, so you can type any text you want, and this is basically 11 labs integrated within this captions app. So that's pretty crazy, and they even have this famous
If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten.
Yes, this one is the most famous voice, I would say, on YouTube right now and on TikTok. So yes, guys, this is pretty much all you need within Captions app. It has everything you need. I mean, the creators of this app, they really know what the market wants, what content creators need. So they provided everything, and they improve it every day. Every day there are new updates. So just download it. I will put a link in the description, and yeah, let's make some bangers, right? So see you in the next one. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Ciao.